There are no random sequences in nuclear order. Some years ago, I went to Dante Sartori's site, which was DSAHK. It's no longer up. Doesn't mean it's not on another channel. I just haven't located it. But I remember that one of the videos that he put up was called The Foreshadowing. Here, I have to write this down. Book of the Foreshadowing of the Feather, and how it talked about unwriting itself from the records. And it went to talk about how events get planned and that those events don't actually happen. And I've given a number of examples using Patty Broussard, okay? When, for example, she said back in 2017, we were going to have a pole shift. As a matter of fact, when your mind is like a steel trap because of who certain people represent, particularly those in the Super Soldier program, okay? And they're convinced that they actually believe based on the information that they have access to because they're communicating what they're aware of. So whatever they're aware of is the information they're aware of, and they communicate the information held in the library, which is a record. Okay, so the energy of her mind, okay, is putting that into place, right? Which means that becomes a record. That record is held in place because it's associated with that identity, with the identity platform of Patty Broussard. Okay, I believe I'm going to experience a pole shift, so therefore what I'm going to do with my energy is account for that pole shift. I'm going to use my energy to develop the structures that I have, believing it's going to happen in the future, and it never did. That becomes a waste of energy, doesn't it? That means it became unwritten. And how did it become unwritten? Because we have override authority, that's why. Okay? And Patty Broussard knows that. That's why we're here. So what was once in a record is not in a record. And why is it not in the record anymore? Because it's dead light. And living light, which is eternal light, which is what love is the law. So the law will override something that's dead. That's a first law nation.